Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change two-step verification PIN on WhatsApp. So if you already set up two-step verification on your WhatsApp account, and now you want to change the PIN, then here's a video for you. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application, click on settings. On Android, click on the three dots at the top right, and then click on settings from the drop menu. Click on account, select two-step verification, then you should see your two-step verification turned on. To change the PIN, click on change PIN. Then you should see enter new 6-digit PIN. Confirm the PIN again. Then you should see change in PIN. Then you are good. So that's exactly how to change two-step verification PIN. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.